I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask on Macy's browser. First, you will need to download the Macy's browser from your phone's app store. Once installed, open Macy's and find the extension's icon, usually near the search bar. From there, you can access the Chrome web store. Search for MetaMask and simply add the extension. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few moments to complete. After installing, tap the MetaMask icon to open it. You'll have two options: create a brand new wallet or import an existing one. If creating new, you will be given a 12-word secret recovery phrase. It is absolutely critical to write this down and keep it in a secure, offline location. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. If importing, simply enter your existing phrase. With MetaMask set up, you can now explore decentralized applications. Simply type the D-app's address into the Macy's browser. Once on the site, look for a Connect Wallet button, often found in the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt MetaMask to ask for your permission to connect. Review the details carefully, then approve the connection. You are now ready to interact with Web3. Inside MetaMask, you can easily view your various cryptocurrency balances and review your transaction history. When making any transaction, always take a few extra seconds to carefully verify all the details, including the amount and the recipient's address. Remember, your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. MetaMask support will never ask for it, so keep it private to ensure your assets remain secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.